In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. Firstly, you need to enter tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the sun located on your brightness slider. When it turns orange with a little A at the bottom right corner of it, you can be sure that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same sun until A disappears and it turns black. If you wish, you can also just go into settings, scroll to heat display and brightness, and then use this switcher next to auto brightness to switch it on or turn it off. Then adjust all of those brightness settings however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!